Welcome back to ModNations. So we've just put up our new sign, check it out. I personally think it looks pretty decent though, doesn't it? So today we've got a BMW 4 Series in and we want to show you a few things that we've done onto this. Right, so with this BMW, we have previously installed a full gloss black kit onto it, which includes your grille, M-performance, front lips, side skate extensions, rear diffusers. Back in today for a few more gloss black parts and a exhaust conversion onto it as well. So I'm going to show you what we've previously done. So gloss black M3 style replacement mirrors along with some smoke sweeping indicators. And I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how you can do this yourself as well. So to get your mirror changed, all you need is just a few basic tools. So our T10 Torx and a few sort of trim tools that you've got. And first things first is that we need to take off the back mirror cover, and it's quite dead straightforward. All you need to do is just pry from one corner, run your trim tool along. You can hear it coming out. And once that's out, you just stick it in, give it a tug, and that's it. That's how you take it out. Really straightforward. Okay, so now that we've taken the mirror cover off, this is the sort of more fragile part, where we need to take off the mirror glass. And all you have to do is just push it all to one corner in there, get your pry tool and stick it in, and you've just got to pry it out. Be very careful that you don't break the glass. I'd also use my thumb to add a bit of force to it as well, and give it a tug. You can hear it unclipping. So once you get to this stage, it'd be good to use a trim tool, and you'll see inside where one stubborn clip, and that's how you take it off. So now that we've taken off the mirror glass, there's 3 Torx screws that we need to take off, which is dotted here, there and there as well, and we just need to take that off. So moving to the front of the mirror, there's also one more Torx screw that you need to take out, which is located here. And once these are all loose, you can now take the trims off. So now that we've taken all the screws off, we can now remove this sweeping indicator and this bottom trim. So to do that, you lift up the mirror, give it a little twist, and it'll just come loose like that, and just remove the old one, and that's how you take off the indicators. For the purpose of the video, I've removed this just to show you guys how the new indicators clips onto this. And all you have to do, so there's some sort of clippings here, and you line that in, slides in, and then to secure it back here, get that clip in, and that's all you have to do. Okay, so now that you've tested the indicators and you know that they're working, all you have to do is just revert everything that you've done, put it all back together. Just to finish it off now, all we need to do is just put the M3 mirrors back onto it, and all you need to do is just clip it back in. Right, so we've just finished installing the mirrors and the sweeping indicators on this 4 Series. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you sort of learned on how to do it yourself. If you do ever get stuck, give us a message on Facebook or Instagram, and we're more than likely to help you guys out. Check it out.